Hi, my name is Caitlin Ritualski, and for this extra credit opportunity, I will be doing the topic of standard deviation. I had picked this topic because at first I thought it was really hard, a really hard concept to grasp, just because it had a lot of different steps involved with it. But the more I did it, the more I got used to it, and it became more easier. So for this problem, I'm just going to do what is the standard deviation of 1, 2, 3, 4. So first we are going to look at the standard deviation formula. So we're going to start off with this little O symbol that looks like that, which just means standard deviation. And then we're going to do kind of like a backwards E that looks like that. And that just means the sum of. So then we'll do the sum of x minus like a backward h. So it just looks like that. So x meaning the values in the data set, and that little underscore h is just meaning the mean. And then we're going to square that. And then we're going to put that over n minus 1. N meaning the number of values. So first we are going to find the mean of standard deviation of 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in order to find the mean, you have to add all the numbers up. So we're going to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and put that on top. Underneath, we are going to put the number of how many numbers that we're doing. So obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 4 numbers. So we'll go ahead and put that like this. And then we go ahead and get an answer of 2.5. So once we add all those up and divide it by 4, we get the number of 2.5. 2.5 is going to be our mean for the first step. So, and if you recall back from the beginning, the underscore, or not the underscore, the upside down h is the mean. So that's what we found there. So in step 2, we are going to find the first half of our problem, which is the backwards e and then the values in the data set minus the mean squared. So we're going to do that first, or next. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take all of our numbers and we're going to minus them by 2.5, which is the mean, and we're going to square those. So I went ahead and already did that, and those are the answers that I got. So this would be the second step. So once you're done finding all these, you're going to move on to the third step. The third step being you're going to add all of these answers that you got together. So once I did that, I got the answer of 5. So I went ahead and got the answer of 5. So then once we calculate that, we can put our kind of answers into the formula. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the, remember if we go back to step 2, which we used this, we got the answer of 5. So once we go back to the formula, we're going to put in the number 5 on top here. And then under that, we are going to put the number of values minus 1, which is 4. So then it would look like this. It's going to be the little circle, which means the standard deviation equals 5 over, this might be backwards, 4 minus 1. So once we go ahead and calculate that, we get an answer of 1.29. I don't know if this is backwards. 1.29 would be our answer. So the answer for what is the standard deviation of 1, 2, 3, and 4, it would be 1.29. And that would be how we figure out the standard deviation. Yeah, it took a lot of different steps. Once you get the hang of it, I feel like it goes by faster. Thank you.